Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people ask. How do I provide Wi-Fi internet for a village with several homes? And today I'm going to explain how this is done. Okay? First of all, we have a central antenna that's visible from all directions. Okay? And the central antenna provides the connection to the internet. However, to get the connection to the internet, we need some internet connection such as a Starlink antenna, a satellite antenna. That connects to a controller like this. The controller is used to generate access codes to give to people so that they get access, and determines how long people are connected. This particular controller is a GIS R4, and that's part of the Star 6 kit. And the Star 6 kit also includes this wireless access point, which is represented by this mast in the middle. Now, the wireless access point is installed on a tower so that it's high enough to give visibility for all the homes and the people around. Now, the central antenna can have a connection to the homes, but people with mobile devices in the vicinity of the antenna can also connect. Now, a mobile device has a limited range, so they can connect within a radius of about 100 meters. Homes with the appropriate antennas can connect over a longer distance, maybe 1 kilometer. And so, how do we connect a home to this central antenna? Well, we have equipment called the Star 4 kit, which comprises two components. One is an antenna which goes on the roof of the building, like so, and that connects via an Ethernet cable to a wireless router inside the building, and that's an example of an Ethernet cable. So the antenna up on the roof here is connecting wirelessly to the central antenna up to about 1 kilometer, and then the connection to the wireless router inside the home gives people a Wi-Fi connection. They can also connect Ethernet devices as well. So that's how it's set up. So you need one central station, which can be a Star 6 kit, or it can be one of our other central station kits. You need the Star 4 kit installed in every home, so that every home has a Wi-Fi connection to the central antenna. And then you'd use the controller to generate access codes. You give access codes to the people in the homes, so that they can use that code to get access to the internet. And once that home gets access to the internet, everyone who can connect to this Wi-Fi router inside the home has access to the internet. The code sets the maximum speed, and everyone shares that maximum speed inside the home. So that's the system. I use my little model to illustrate. If you want more information, we have a lot of details in documents that explain how to set all this up. So please contact us, and we'd be delighted to provide the information for you and help you out with your installation for a village or a town, so that you can provide the residents with Wi-Fi access. Well, thanks for watching, and see you next time.